Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Right, so today I want to show you how to play your major scale on all keys just with your left hand. We'll do the one for right also, but I know a lot of people don't do like this, so it's like a piano exercise, but I'm going to name this major scale with your left hand on all keys. So we start from the key of C. So we are going to name our fingers 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't forget 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that wasn't too fast. Yeah, I'm sure it wasn't too fast. So for the C scale, we have all white, so we'll not waste time on that. So we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then 3, 2, 1. One more time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So that's it. So for C sharp, we'll do C sharp as C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, C and C sharp. Don't mind the naming. So we're gonna do 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's say 3. Okay, good. Makes sense. 3, 2, 1. Then 4, 3, 2, 1. 3. There's a rule here. You should always play the white keys when you are playing black keys. When you are playing on bike, all these keys, you should always use your thumb for the white keys. If you need to get to a white key, it should be your thumb, not your finger, not any of these guys. No. Don't do that. Don't do that. Tell your neighbor, don't do that. So that's for C sharp. Yeah. So don't forget, if it's too fast, please watch again. Just watch again. It's not a movie. I used to tell you this. It's not a movie. So you can always watch again. You can slow down the playback also. Yeah, I do that when I watch videos also. So for D now, this next key. So we have this has the same fingering just like C. D, E. So we have a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. I'm sure you can see the notes I'm pressing. Yeah, of course. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So that's for D. So the next is E flat. So we have a 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. So we are 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. But if you want to move forward, I think you should use 3. You should end on 3. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's it. So for E, we have that's the note. Let me give you the. I think he has the same fingering with C also. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. One more time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. The next key is F. Now let's move to F. F is also very fine. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Slowly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. If you are just joining this video along this side, with the numbers I'm calling out for your fingers, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Not the notes. We are playing major scale, but those are the fingers to use, the right fingers. So now let's move to F sharp. We have a 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3. We started with 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 4. If you want to keep moving, like 4, 3, 2. Let me do 2 octaves. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4. 2. If you want to end, you end with 2 or so. So, yeah, no mistake. All right, but God is the only perfect one. All right, so the key of G. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. I'm not bothering to call out the scale because you can see the notes I'm pressing. Yeah, the video is very clear. It's a clear one. Very clear one. Yeah. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. One more time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. The key of A flat. We have a 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. So 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Oh, 2. Don't forget, I always end on 2. Yeah, that makes sense. Hey. Oh, wow. Okay, I should mention this also. It's the same fingering when you are coming back. Just reverse. Whatever you've done, just reverse it. 2. If you end with 2, just do 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. All right. So the key of A, we have a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Again, slowly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Now that's the key. So if you want to come back, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hallelujah. Now the key of B flat, 2 more keys to go. Now we have a 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. My finger is like, oh God, I don't want to bend today. You have to bend fingers. Yeah. I'm in class. All right, so 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Or 1, 2. Don't forget I end on 2. That's if I'm ending. But if I want to keep moving, like I want to play like 2 octaves, if you want to play like 2 octaves, you continue with the finger, you stop with the finger that you're going to start with. You use the finger you started with rather. So if I started with 3 now, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, I want to keep moving, then I'll use 3. Right.